Today, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to jump straight to the very top of a chat in Telegram on your desktop computer. So, whether you're a Windows or a Mac user, this will save you a ton of time when you need to revisit the very first messages in a conversation. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to skip endless scrolling and get back to those early buried messages in a matter of seconds. Let's dive right in. Imagine you're looking through a long group chat or a private conversation on Telegram, and you need to find the very first message. Maybe it's an important file, or you just want to see how the conversation started. Scrolling up manually can be tedious, especially in chats that go back months or even years. So here's my favorite method, the calendar jump, which is honestly a total game changer. First, open up the chat you want to explore. Just click into it like you normally would. You'll see your most recent messages, but what we care about is getting to the top as quickly as possible. Now, on your keyboard, press Ctrl and F together if you're on Windows, or Command and F if you're on a Mac. This shortcut brings up Telegram's search bar at the top right of your chat window, and if you look closely, you'll notice a small calendar icon inside that search bar. Go ahead and click on it. This clever little feature lets you jump directly to messages from a specific date. When you click the calendar, a mini calendar view will pop up. It might look a little intimidating if you've never used it before, but don't worry. All you need to do is scroll up through the months, all the way to the earliest date that's available. Sometimes this might take a moment, especially if the chat has a lot of history. Select the very first date shown. Telegram will immediately whisk you to the very first message from that day. It's almost like having a time machine for your conversations. Why does this method matter? Because it's precise. You can get to the very start without missing anything or having to wear your finger out with endless scrolling. This is especially handy for old group chats or important archived conversations. But if you just want to get to the top quickly and you're not fussed about a specific day, let's talk about another straightforward method, the scroll bar fast jump. Grab your mouse, hover over the scroll bar on the right side of the chat window. This is the slim bar that moves up and down as you scroll through messages. Click and drag it all the way up quickly and confidently. You'll notice the bar actually shows beginning as you get close to the top. This is Telegram's hint that you're about to reach the earliest messages. Once you see that, just let go and there you are at the top of your chat. This might take a moment or two depending on how large your chat history is, but it's definitely faster than scrolling with your mouse wheel or trackpad. So to recap, for a precise, direct approach, try the calendar jump. If you want speed, the scroll bar method works great. Don't worry if Telegram takes a second to load old messages, especially in big chats. It might need a moment to catch up. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're now ready to jump straight to the top of any Telegram chat without breaking a sweat. If you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick practical guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.